Hey y'all. It's windy in here. I got all the fans going, got the swamp cooler going. Hope you can hear me, but you'll hear all that buzz. This is the introduction to the video that I made like 4 hours ago. Telling you what I was getting ready to do. So I got it all done. So I'll start with that, and then I got some, and I'll show you what we got done today. So stay tuned. Hey y'all, why does it look blurry? Is my camera messed up, or are my eyes blurry? It looks foggy. Hold on. Hee hee. Apparently, I got something on my camera. It is a big day. Bob is coming over, and we're going to do a couple of things. One is replace the seal in my transmission that's leaking. See, got my truck all ready. I don't know if you can tell. It looks shadowy from here, but anyway, it's up over a wash. So Bob's got to go get cardboard so he can climb under there. And can you see? Oh, there's the buddy. Hey, buddy. Hey, good boy. Hey, say hey. You good boy. Yes, he's on guard this morning. He's my alert dog. He alerts me to all kinds of things in the desert, like roadrunners and rabbits. So the other thing we're doing, I'm going to get up and show you this. I had stabilizers under my trailer. They're over here. And what they did was kept the tiny from rocking around when I got in there. And what I want to do is put jacks under there to lift up my tires. I was going to show you what. Oh, I put them away already. I've been working on this morning. Let's see. See all that? That's my garage. And boy, was it a mess. And so I've cleaned it all up and all that. I've already done that. It's not even 8 o'clock yet. I've been up since 5:30 and getting my day going. But anyway, I moved the stabilizers. Let's see. And we're going to put jacks. So I'll show you those. These are the jacks. And what they will do, we'll lift the trailer up and it'll get the tires up off the ground. So they'll be, because I ain't leaving here for a while. So, not in the tiny anyway. And let's see. Can you see them? Right there. That's stabilizer. So they're a little tiny. Oh, but they kept it from rocking and rolling when you're getting in there. But anyway, these will lift it. They're strong enough to hold the whole trailer up off the ground. So it'll protect my tires over time. So that's the busy day today. And so there's other stuff that I'm writing about that I'm going to share with y'all. You know what? Remember I was talking about the Sabbath? I keep thinking it is. I keep thinking it's like the day after Sabbath. And I just keep doing the same thing. It's been pretty awesome. Focusing on Yahweh and Yeshua and what they have to say to me in the Word. It's been an awesome time. And I think it's Wednesday. Oh, and quick update on Dee. Dee is in a rehab. And she's working on, I hope she's working on healing. But it sounds like she's working on how to come out here and live in the desert with a lumbar fracture. So y'all pray for her and pray for us, because there's a lot of stuff we're doing and we got to keep up with, and Dee has a lot of stuff she wants to get done, and so we're just going to have to work around that somehow. Bob's already built her steps that will fit her walker. She's coming with a walker. So, anyway, there's that. That's a quick update for the day. And welcome to my new subscribers. I got a notification I had 2 new subscribers today. So, welcome, y'all. And stay tuned for all the excitement coming up because, 'tis the season. I love y'all.